Hi, oftentimes we walk into a kitchen and we don't know what to use or how to use it. So I'm just going to show you a few simple tools that you'll need to make any dish an amazing one. So first we're going to go ahead and start over here. We have a one-sheet pan. These are great to make cookies or a one-sheet dinner. We love to use these at home. We also have some mixing bowls. Here we have 3 different sizes, a small, medium, and large. And you're gonna want to use stainless steel or glass bowls. They don't absorb flavor, colors, or oils into them. Another thing that we have here is a colander and a strainer. Now the difference between these two is that we can use this for sifting, or we can use it just to remove or separate liquids to solids. Now the colander, we use these for bigger ingredients like pasta or vegetables. Next we're gonna use pots and pans. Pots are great for sauces or soups, and pans are great for sauteing and frying. Here we use non-stick pans because it just makes it easier for cleaning. Another thing we're gonna need is a good cutting board and a chef's knife. Chef's knives are great for chopping, dicing, and mincing. Now in order for us to mix our food, we're gonna need spatulas and a mixing spoon. Here we use a plastic ones, it just makes it a little easier to handle. And a good set of tongs. These are good for flipping as well. We also have a measuring cup for dry ingredients, we have one for liquid ingredients, and we have some measuring spoons. Another thing we're gonna need is oven mitts and pot holders. We're gonna wanna use those so that way we don't burn the surfaces that we're touched or burn our hands. A fun tool that I like is a rolling pin. We like to roll out pizzas or cookie dough. This is really fun to use as well. Next, we have a zester. This is a great tool to add any citrus flavor into your dish. And that's it. With a few simple tools, you'll be able to make some healthy and delicious meals.